After you have created your ebook, done all of your formatting and positioning and all of that, it's time for you to address the cover. So we're going to take this project that we've been working on, this having to do here with the slow cooker recipes. We're going to show you how to change the cover on this. Couple of things that you need to understand about cover creation. Number one is this container right here cannot be deleted. This container is an integral part of the program, and so the container must remain. That doesn't mean you can't change the color of it, doesn't mean you can't change the name of it. So keep in mind though that you have to keep that container, or you can delete the text, but you have to keep the container. The other thing that must remain is this author area right here. You have to keep the author area. Those two things must remain. Now I can delete the text from this. I can delete the text from this. I can take this container and I can make it totally transparent, but I cannot remove it. Removing it disables the calculator in the formatting tool. So you save this to the last step, and then you simply click where it says cover page content. I've now clicked in that image right here, and I go over here to the background. I can go to the media manager, and I can pick here. I can do search terms. I can use the search engine in the media manager to see if I can find things that will work. Now the problem with using this is that it's not giving me soup recipes, and my slow cooker was a soup recipe. So we're going to put in here instead, we'll go slow cooker, and we'll see what we come up with now. Because you got a tremendously powerful search engine here with the images. So you want to check that out first and see if there's something there that you might be able to use. And I see this one right here. This is one we used in an earlier demo. And so I'm going to use that. I'll pull that in here. Now, I want you to notice a couple of things. This kind of blends in now, makes that stand out really well. So when I look at this in preview, let me change this here so I can see it. When I look at this in preview, it shows up pretty well. I kind of like the way that looks. So I could go with that just exactly like it is, and leave it right there. Or I could do something else. If I don't like this image, I can bring an image in from somewhere else. Or I could do some pretty interesting things with this, but this is how you change the cover. Okay, I can move this container around. I do have the ability to do that, and I can change the font styles here. But this looked really good in the middle right here. All right, looks really nice right there, and so I can be happy with that, leaving it just like it is. But I have the ability to do all of these things from here. All right, that takes me directly to my image editor, or to the media manager. Now I have selected this image right here. People are always looking for covers, and I'm going to get my graphics artist to do my cover for me. And you have a pretty powerful image editor inside of here. So we'll click back on the image, go to the media manager, go to my images, because this will be the image right here. Click on this, and you can go right here, and now you have the ability to be able to do some pretty cool things with this. If I want to make this a little brighter, if I want to make it with a little more contrast or something to that effect, I can actually change this and enhance this, or take it the other way, however I want to do that. Okay, pretty powerful image editor, and what that does is it saves multiple copies of the image. This is the one now, and I can use this one. Go here. I've now enhanced the color of that image, made that stand out a little bit better. So you've got some pretty powerful tools here to be able to change your cover. You can also have your own cover made, and to use your own cover, click on the image, click on the media manager, go to the upload images, and you could upload an image from here that you could use for a cover as well. Okay? That's how you use that media manager. Make sure that if you make a cover, that you make the dimensions of it 794 by 1125. 794 by 1125. I see people all the time take some kind of square image and try to use it for a cover, and they are concerned about the distortion. Make sure that you use a 795 by 1125, and that will prevent any kind of distortion on your image. Okay?